Okay, so I am going to show you how the grade transfer works, and I also want to show you how it does not work. So I am here in my Google Classroom. These are the grades that I want to pass to PowerSchool. These are official grades. I'm going to go up here. This is the transfer. I'm going to select my platform, and I am going to go. So I'm grabbing the information from here from Google Classroom. So I have this. I press OK once. So if I press it twice, I'm gonna be in trouble. So that's one thing I found. So now I'm in PowerSchool, and I'm going to press this again. Oh, but before that, I need to remember to to be there on my my student, my first student. I haven't figured out if it has to be the first student or not, but I always do it on the first one. So I press this again, the transfer select platform, and now I am going to fill in PowerSchool. So this was supposed to work, and you see it did not. Okay, something happened. This is wrong. It kind of filled all this information here, and my guess is because I copied it twice, because before I did this video I had. So this is one example of where it does not work. Okay, and you saw why. Also, if you compare the if you compare the scores, they're actually going to be probably wrong too. Okay. Yeah, there it is. So, oh, how can I see? Okay, so I'm going to show you in the grades. So these are the grades. This is the assignment. So it should be 32, 0, 26, 0. Okay, so you see, it definitely did not work this time. Okay, so I was trying to show you the correct one right now, and I didn't. Okay, so I'm just going to save nothing. Okay, I'm going to leave it there. And I want to go to Google Classroom again. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to just open it again. I'm going to open another Google Classroom in a minute. So here it is. Okay, and I'm in honors, and I have here classwork, and I was working with this one. Okay, so I'm going to do the assignment, and I am going to go to my transfer here. I'm going to select my platform. You see, now it seems like it's empty. I'm going to select my platform. I'm going to come from Google Classroom. I'm going to press OK. And now I go to PowerSchool. I'm going to put my cursor here. And now I am going to put it in PowerSchool. And it is still wrong. So you see, this is what I mean that we need to figure out what is going on. Because when it works beautifully. When it doesn't, it is very bad. It makes everything wrong. Okay, so we definitely need to figure that out. I'm gonna try to do this right now. Let me see. Okay, so I'm just gonna stop the video, and I'm going to send you this. Okay, and this is what I mean. I'm gonna try to do another. You know what? I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, let's do another assignment. I'm gonna start from 0. This is a fake assignment. I told the students this is a fake assignment, so hopefully this is going to work. Okay, so this is my assignment. These are fake grades. And then I am going to grab them. And so there it is. I grabbed them. And now I am going to PowerSchool, and I am going to my fake assignment. I'm going to discard changes there. And I'm going to place the grades here. So now I'm going to put it in PowerSchool, and this made it wrong again. Oh, well, that's awesome. So this is my second try. This is a fake assignment. I am going to grab the information here. Up here we have, this is the Google Transfer. So I need to select the platform where I am going to put I'm going to grab the grades from, and I am in Google Classroom. And I'm going to press OK here. And now I am going to go to PowerSchool. This is my period 5. This is my fake assignment. I am going to put I'm going to click on the first name, and I am going to go to this, and I'm going to select the platform. I'm going to drop it in PowerSchool, and there it is. This is an example of it working beautifully. So if you see here, okay, I can compare the grades. So it's 180, 0, 5, 100 for Diana, yeah, 85, 85, 0, and 95, right? So this one worked beautifully. Okay, now I'm going to erase this because this is fake and I don't want students to start receiving messages about this fake grades. Okay, but I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom, and where is it? Okay, so I'm going to go back here to my Google Classroom, and I'm going to go to, I'm going to do the same assignment, the fake one. So that's up here. Okay, and then I am going to grab the information. Okay, I'm going to grab it again. So here from Google Classroom. And I'm going to press OK 2 times. Now I'm going to go to PowerSchool. And I am going to select the platform again. I am going to do PowerSchool here. So you see how it went wrong? It is exactly the same fake assignment. And now I have the grades are wrong. We can compare them here in the grades. So the grades should be 180, 0, right? So the grades are completely wrong. That last one has like 1,000 numbers there, and I can't figure out why. Okay, I'm going to erase this again because this is fake, but this is what I wanted to show you. When it works beautifully. When it doesn't, it can ruin a lot of, can ruin your data. So that's it.